Hi guys, just coming at you guys, putting a new spindle on this 38-inch riding mower poulan. That's the model number of P015538LT. Ran into some rocks earlier and broke the spindle, so I unbolted the old one. Went to Sears Parts, got the new one. Rather expensive, and upon trying to install, I discovered the bolt holes are not tapped. So this is a quick demonstration on how to tap the bolt holes for this spindle, which fits Husqvarna, Craftsman, Poulan. This is at 587-81970. Link in the bio, link in the description below. So what we're using right now is a 5/16 number 18 die. This is what it looks like when you get it, and this is what it looks like after you tap that thing in there. So what you do is basically put it on a vise, put your die in, turn it about a half turn, copious amounts of oil, back turn, quarter turn, turn it a half turn, back turn, quarter turn, apply lots of oil like I said, and that's how you get it done. And you go all the way down to the bottom. Then your hardware that comes with the new spindle will fit and work perfectly. Okay, so this is once again 5/16 number 18 thread. Okay, thanks for watching. Like always, subscribe for more informational videos on how to repair things. And comment below if you got questions. Aloha.